Hi, Stampin' Friends. It's Laura Milligan, and I am so excited to tell you about the bee box for August 2020. And let me just show you what this month will feature. For the bee box for August, I chose to focus on the beautiful Life is Beautiful stamp set from our newly released August to December mini catalog. And this is a set that you can use year round. It has timeless beauty. There are images for fall and spring and winter, and I love this set. So let me tell you about this month's, the contents of the box, the bee box. So you will receive the Life is Beautiful stamp set. And in addition to that, I have designed 3 cards, and let me show you real quickly what they are. So they are kind of different seasons, and what I do is give you 2 card kits to make 2 of each of those cards. Here's an example of one of the card kits that you'll receive. It includes the base, any embossed layers, designer paper already cut for you, any dies that you need cut, we do that for you, and you'll get 2 of each of those, plus envelopes for each of the 3 different cards I've designed. So that's a total of 6 different cards that you'll make. I also include a PDF tutorial with photos of each project, and then I make a video for each of the projects, each of the cards, so that you can follow along and stamp right with me once your bee box arrives. You will need to provide a few additional supplies, your ink, your blocks, of course, for stamping, any adhesives that you might use, and I used my Stampin' Seal, and I used some dimensionals and then glue dots. And then I used some ink. So let me show you what ink colors you'll need to provide. Misty Moonlight, Melon Mambo, Smoky Slate, Pretty Peacock, Pumpkin Pie. You see how these colors are kind of covering all the different seasons. Early Espresso, and then Seaside Spray. So if you don't have these inks, you could substitute if you have a color that would be close to these, or you can always email me. I'll be happy to add it to your kit. So that's what you'll need. Those are the additional supplies. Everything else will be lovingly prepared for you, and registration is now open. It starts today, August 17th, and goes through August 28th. The cost of the bee box is $35, and that is for local pickup if you are local to me. If not, I will ship it to you. I use priority shipping, and that is an additional $8. If you already have this stamp set and you are interested in getting the bee box for August, just send me a quick email after you register and let me know what stamps that you would like to substitute in its place. All right, I will have the registration link in the comment or in the description below of this video. And while you're watching this, if you're watching this on YouTube, I'd love for you to click that subscribe so that you can follow me on YouTube as I share more projects and class offerings. Thank you so much, everyone. And as always, I hope you have time to be creative today. Thanks so much, everyone.